We're running the curtain track and we're about to install the curtain for this 12-meter dome. This is quite a heavy curtain. We're sitting at about 50 to 60 pounds. We're just getting ready to install our curtain track in this dome here. We have our top curtain brackets that are going to go over the bolt of the dome. You're going to want to install another nut followed by your acorn nut so you have consistency throughout the whole dome. We'll put 5 of these up in this one, and this is going to be our top track, and then we'll follow it up by installing the bottom track so that it pulls the curtain towards the window. You'll end up using self-tapping screws to set your lower track and meet up with the track on the corners. So what I've done is just measured the height of the track that is the farthest to the side on the bolt. For this window, it's a little bit wider, a little bit taller. We'll end up with 12 points of contact for the curtain. So we'll have 10 different points of contact along the window, and we want to make sure that they end up on the aluminum framework so that you have lots of good support for the curtain. When installing the hooks that are going to hold the curtain to the track, there's a few different options. You can either put 2 into one hole, and then 2 into another hole, and pull it through for one front pleat, and then you'll skip 4 to 6 bars depending on the distance that you want between the pleats. You can also put 1 barb into each pleat, folding them as you go, and it gives you a nice triple pleat in the front. Same thing, you'll skip 4 or 6 in between to manage your hooks and make sure that you have a nice pleated front cover on it. It's always a good idea to skip the first one, as that's where a lot of fabric is going to be sewn together and it will ruin your pleat. So leave 1, do your 4 or your 2, 4 to 6 in between, then continue down the curtain. With Luna's 2-track system, ensuring that you have no wasted space by your window, you'll have little rings. The rings will go around the loops that come off the center of the curtain, as well as a little hook, and that will hook to your base track, holding it in nice and tight to the window. You want to make sure you count how many hooks you've used throughout the curtain and make sure you have enough wheels on your top track and remove any extra wheels. There will always be additional wheels, but you just want to make sure that you don't leave any just floating around on the track. You'll also have the curtain ties. So for this curtain, for example, this is going to be the right side curtain to make sure that you can wrap around the tie and secure it to the right side of your dome. On the other side, the curtain tie will be on the left side.